Welcome back to MK Car Reviews, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth reviews of cars, commercial vehicles, and everything in between. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Today, we are diving into the world of auto rickshaws. And we have something special for you, the 2022 Bajaj Maxima Z. Whether you are a fleet owner, a city commuter, or someone exploring affordable commercial vehicle options, this video is going to give you all the details you need. Let's start with the design. The Bajaj Maxima Z follows a practical and functional aesthetic. It's designed primarily for utility, with a strong body frame and spacious cabin. It offers a decent road presence for an auto rickshaw, and the build quality has definitely improved compared to older models. Bajaj has made sure to balance durability with comfort, which is important for long working hours on Indian roads. Under the hood, the 2022 Maxima Z is powered by a 236 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. This engine runs on CNG and delivers a maximum power output of around 9.5 PS with 16.2 Nm of torque. It's BS6 compliant, which means it's more eco-friendly and meets the latest emission standards. For an auto in this segment, the performance is pretty solid. It's not going to win races, but it offers steady, reliable power, especially in city traffic conditions where frequent stops and starts are common. When it comes to mileage, the Bajaj Maxima Z impresses with an approximate CNG mileage of 30 to 35 km per kg, depending on load and driving habits. That kind of efficiency makes it a cost-effective option for daily operations, which is one of the major reasons it's so popular in the commercial market. The Maxima Z is built with a larger wheelbase compared to its competitors, which translates to more stability and better passenger comfort. It comes with hydraulic shock absorbers, which help smooth out bumpy roads. The seating is designed for up to 3 passengers in the rear with a dedicated driver cabin in the front, offering good visibility and driving ergonomics. Safety-wise, you get standard features like a sturdy chassis, strong braking system, and improved road grip with 12-inch wheels. It's not loaded with high-tech safety features, but it covers the basics well for a vehicle in this category. Now, let's talk price. The 2022 Bajaj Maxima Z comes with a price tag that starts around 2.5 lakh rupees ex-showroom, depending on the city and variant. It's competitively priced, considering the performance, mileage, and build quality it offers. So that's our quick but detailed look at the 2022 Bajaj Maxima Z. If you are in the market for a reliable, fuel-efficient auto rickshaw that won't let you down, this might just be the one. Thanks for watching MK Car Reviews. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See why.